Welcome to Multiplication Made Easy. This video is for any of you who are still struggling remembering some of your multiplication facts. Of course, the goal is to know them with automatic speed, but this video will give you a few strategies in case you're not quite there yet to help you pick up your speed in multiplication. So let's get started. As we go through each of the numbers and learn some tricks and some strategies, we'll look at this multiplication chart to see just how many facts we can remember with strategies. You might have heard in second grade or third grade that 0 is always the hero. Remember, any number times 0 is going to be 0. So each of those facts that you know because 0 is always the hero is marked off in yellow. Next, 1 is just the opposite. Any number multiplied by 1 is the other number. He never wins. So look at all these facts that are in blue to show the ones times tables. When we multiply by 2, one of the simplest things to do is just count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Another strategy you can use for multiplying by 2 is doubling a number. 7 times 2 is just 7 plus 7. You can think of doubling a number when you multiply by 2. So look at how many facts here are colored in because of the 2's, all the pinks. So all of these are facts you know if you can count by 2's. Next, for 3's, we can sing the 3 song. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27, 30, and you're done. So you can use this 3 song to count by 3's, and look at how many facts you can remember if you can count by 3's. Next is the 4 song to the tune of She'll Be Coming Around the Mountain. Oh, let's all count together, count by 4's. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32, 36, and last comes 40. Oh, let's all count together, count by 4's. And you can see all of the numbers that are, all the facts, the additional facts that are by 4's, just if you can remember that song. So notice how we already have all of these facts learned all the way up to here just because we can count or skip count. Next, you learned probably all the way in kindergarten how to skip count by 5's. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that gives you any fact that's multiplying by 5, which I've marked off in here in purple. Of course, going this way too, but you know other facts too, other strategies to remember those. Next, let's skip all the way down here to the 9's. I like to think of 9 as a magical number. Here's my magician's hat. And there are 2 separate tricks that you can use for 9's. First, let's do the finger trick. If you lay your hands out for 9's and you want to multiply, let's say 9 times 7, you're going to count over, starting on the left-hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7th finger. So you're going to put down that finger. Everything to the left of the finger put down is the tens place, so that would be a 6 in the tens place. Everything to the right of the finger that's down is the ones place, so that would be a 3 in the ones place. So 9 times 7 is 63. Let's do one more. 9 times 3, that's 1, 2, 3. The third number down is 27. Another trick you can use for the 9's is to take all of the, start at 0 and write 0 through 9 going down, and then start down here at the bottom and go up 0 through 9. And then you can count, let's find 9 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 9 would be 81. So either use the finger trick or the number line trick for the 9's. And notice how many facts get marked off here for the 9's. And then, of course, again in kindergarten, you learn to count by 10's. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And I have marked off the 10's facts here in 10. I hope you noticed that that only leaves 6 facts here in the middle. 6 times 6, 7 times 7, 8 times 8, and then we have facts that are duplicate. Here are 6 times 7, 6 times 8, and 7 times 8. Those are the only 6 facts left to memorize. So let's do a couple rhymes to help us remember those. 6 times 6, 36, lollipop licks. Say it with me. 6 times 6, 36, lollipop licks. Here's one for 6 times 7. 6 times 7 rings are new, shiny and bright, all 42. Say it. 6 times 7 rings are new, shiny and bright, all 42. Here's a super simple one for 6 times 8. I like this one because it rhymes and it's so easy. 6 times 8 is 48. Say it. 6 times 8 is 48. Next one is a pretty yucky one. 7 times 7. 7 times 7 roaches on a vine, yucky and scary, all 49. Say it with me. 7 times 7 roaches on a vine, yucky and scary, all 49. The next one is a counting one. 7 times 8 you can remember like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8. Say it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8. And last but not least, the sixth one that you need a rhyme for. 8 times 8 fell on the floor. Pick it up, it's 64. Say it. 8 times 8 fell on the floor. Pick it up, it's 64. With those counting strategies and with 6 new rhymes, I hope that you will see that multiplication can be made easy. Peace.